Hello, dear friends and dear aspirants. Welcome to PATIL Study Circle YouTube channel. Let's take a first chapter of science class is that the living world. So this is the first chapter we can see here. It will be explains lot of questions and you people may get lot of questions in the future days. So when it comes to living world, so first let's take first question, that is biodiversity. Biodiversity is the number and types of living organisms on earth, or variety in morphological features within a taxonomical group, number of different species belonging to a genus, and fourth option is that variability in adaptive characters in living organism. So for this question, that is biodiversity, what does it mean? That the number and types of living organisms on the earth. So first question, first option is the right answer. So when it comes to second option, that is variety in morphological features within taxonomical group, this is this is not biodiversity, but this is a variety of life forms, we can say that is. And third option, number of different species belonging to a genus, this is also not a biodiversity, it will call it as a genus. So when it comes to second question, that is the number of species that are known and described range between. So there is a range between the species. For this question, answer is second option, that is 1.7 to 1.8 million. So this is first option, that is you people can see that. And the first option is that 1.4 to 1.5 million, this is too low, that is older estimation, this one. But the right answer is that 1.7 to 1.8 million. So let's come for the third question, that is maximum diversity is shown by the kingdom. So when it comes to which kingdom is showing the maximum diversity in the biodiversity, is that kingdom Animalia, because if you people can see that Animalia kingdom is the biggest one and having the lot of diversities in the world. So Planta is also having the limited, but you people can assume that Planta is having the lot of biodiversity, but it doesn't have that much of biodiversity as compared to the Animalia, because if you can see that chordates and semi-chordates, non-chordates, so there will be a lot of biodiversity in the Animalia kingdom, not in Monera, not in Mycota. Mycota is just a fungus group, so it will having the very less, and in Monera is having only bacteria. For plant is that plants, animal is animals. So when it comes to the fourth question, that is taxonomy is the study of. So taxonomy is the study of the classification of life forms by their similarities and differences. This is the right answer, not the first one, that the gradual change from simple to complex organism, this is also not called as a taxonomy. And the classification of different groups of tissues based on their function, this is also not called as a taxonomy. So this is called as a tissue classification is histology, it is called as histology, not a taxonomy. The gradual change from simple to complex organisms, this is called as evolution. The cell and cell cycle, so this is as a cell biology, not a taxonomy. The right answer is that the classification of life forms by their similarities and differences. So when it comes to the fifth question, that is the standardized naming of living organisms such that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world is called. So for this question, let's see the question, that is the standardized naming of living organisms such that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. So wherever you people can go and see the any species or any Any species you people should know by the same name, not by the any different name, because of in throughout the world there will be a lot of languages, lot of peoples, so different languages may call it in the different forms, but this standardized name will be understands that whole over the world the same one living organism having the same name all over the world, so that is called as nomenclature. So just identification is the finding the correct name but not the naming. So for this answer is third one, nomenclature. So systematism is, what does it mean? This border filled including classification plus evaluation. So making a border field including the classifications or along with the evaluations, this is called a systematics. So when this comes to the nomenclature is that scientific naming. So all over the world everyone can know this by the common name. Taxonomy means already people know that it includes the identification, classification and nomenclature, all those things. So when it comes to the sixth question, that ICZN stands for. So for this question the right answer is second one. Sorry, second one, international code of zoological names. Sorry, first option, that is international code for botanical nomenclature. So ICBN is called as international code for botanical nomenclature, not international congress for botanical nomenclature, not international code for biodiversity, and Indian congress for botanical nomenclature, these all not there. First option is the right answer, international code for botanical nomenclature. So when it comes to the seventh question, that is ICBN. So for this one right answer is that international code for botanical nomenclature. Sorry, the sixth question answer is that. So when it comes to the sixth question, that is ICZN stands for. ICZN stands for International Code of Zoological Names. So for this answer, second is the right answer for sixth question, that is ICZN stands for International Code of Zoological Names, not Indian Congress of Zoological Nomenclature, Indian Code of Zoological Names, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. So when it comes to the ICBN, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. So let's move to the eighth question, that is the author of Systema Nature is. This is written by whom? So the book author, that is Systema Nature, is written by Carlos Linnaeus. Carlos Linnaeus is the author who written the book name called Systema Nature. So when it comes to the, let's move to the ninth question, that is each unit or rank or category of classification is called as. So we have the options, that is genus, taxon, species, systematics. So for this one right answer is this taxon. Taxon is the right answer for the ninth question, that is each unit or rank or category of classification is called taxon. So let's move to the 10th question, that is hierarchy. Hierarchy of categories was introduced by whom? Who is introduced the hierarchy of categories? For this one right answer is Linnaeus. Linnaeus is the scientist who introduced the hierarchy of categories. So not by the John Ray, Early, John Ray is the earlier taxonomist, but didn't introduce any hierarchy. Also, Aristotle also, you people also know that Aristotle classified the organisms, but not detailed hierarchy. Just he classified the organism. That's it only. And Theophatus is also father of botany. Not a, he is not introduced any hierarchy of categories or something. Just the right answer is that Linnaeus. Linnaeus who explained all the hierarchy of categories, and he gave the first systematic classification hierarchy. So these two are all 10 questions. So let's discuss all the leftover questions in the next class. So keep watching. Thank you.